the sky, split white and bright, a city shining, no need for night. The old is gone, the new has come, the song of heaven has begun. No more tears, no more pain, every sorrow washed away. God is here, dwelling true, He makes all things new. The walls are gold, the gates are pearl, a river flows to heal the world. No shadows fall, no hearts will break. The dawn is endless, love away. He will wipe every tear, hold us close, draw us near. No more tears, no more pain, every sorrow washed away. God is here, dwelling true, He makes all things new. He will wipe every tear, hold us close, draw us near. No more tears, no more pain, every sorrow washed away. God is here, dwelling true, He makes all things new. Every cry fades to grace, every wound finds its place, every loss is redeemed. He's the hope, He's the dream. All things new, He makes all things new. Every cry fades to grace, every wound finds its place, every loss is redeemed. He's the hope, He's the dream.